Good evening, Russ Fletcher, CEO of Xyngular here. One of my favorite words is the word extraordinary. We use extraordinary to describe things that are phenomenal, beautiful, breathtaking, peoples whose lives we remember because they made a mark on the world. Around Xyngular, we refer to that as wow. We aspire to be extraordinary. If you look at the word, however, it's just extraordinary. That's how the word was created. So how do you go from ordinary to extraordinary? The process involves expecting more from yourself and from your world. Last year in December, I used the phrase, stuff is coming. Stuff is coming. Maybe ship happened, but stuff is coming. It's exciting stuff, thrilling stuff, life-changing stuff, business-changing stuff. Stuff is going to be different. The stuff that you're going to see soon, it's not coming necessarily, in October. It's coming earlier than that. It's coming the first part of the year. Stuff is coming. We've been showing you stuff all year, a little at a time. We rolled things out, starting with the introduction of the 8-day, and the things we've rolled out may have seemed ordinary, and you may not have realized that they were the beginning of expecting more, the beginning of extraordinary. We said some time ago that it was time for Xyngular to grow up. As part of our journey in growing up as a company, we've made some changes. Journey implies change. You can't go on a journey and stay in the same place. For us, that change means we have to say goodbye to some old friends. The core, Ignite, and Ultimate systems have been with us for some time now. We've loved them. They've served us well. They've helped us grow to where we are today. However, as of tonight, I'm announcing the retirement of the core, Ignite, and Ultimate systems. Now it's time to take the next step on our journey. One of my favorite expressions is, I apologize for writing such a long letter. I didn't have time to write a short one. Simplicity comes on the other side of complexity, not before it. In order to produce simplicity, we had to work very hard over a long period of time. The first glimpse is when we launched the 8-day earlier this year, and from then until now, we've been refining, testing, measuring, refining again. Over the course of 2021, we've made incremental steps, ordinary steps. Tonight, we're going to make an extraordinary leap. Everyone thinks of Xyngular for weight loss, which we do really well. But we think it's time people start expecting more out of us. Tonight, we are introducing to the world the next generation of Xyngular Kits, X Bundle, X Plus, and X Advanced. Nothing is more frustrating than expecting more and getting nothing. But to get more, you still have to expect more. Tonight, we're setting our expectations high. We're expecting more, and we'll get more together.